everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at one of our 2-burner countertop shawarma machines. Okay, this is going to be a 2-burner. Obviously we have 2 separate adjusters for your fire level located on the side. Okay, now before we get started on more, I do want to go ahead and give you the measurements for this shawarma unit. For the width, you're looking at a total of about 21 inches. For your depth, you're looking at a total of 24 inches. And the overall height, you're looking at a total of 24 inches of the height. This is a 2-burner. You can either use this for natural gas or propane. It is already set up for natural gas. If you want to go ahead and use this for propane, we will provide conversion kit in order for you to convert it to propane. Okay, the unit runs on both gas and electric. Electric will be for the rotation of the unit. If you follow me over to the back, this is where we can locate your plug. It is a standard US plug, runs on 110 volt, as well as your gas entry located on the back. Okay, now on the side of the unit, you can locate certification regarding this shawarma machine. The unit is certified by the health department, and you can locate that on the side. Also on the side, we have more specs and BTU that will be displayed on the sticker. Okay, on the front, we have a waste tray as well. There will be a user manual provided. Okay, so if you don't know how to use the unit, or maybe you're having trouble using it, there is a user manual provided for this unit. Okay, you also will be provided with a meat tray, and lastly, on the bottom, there is going to be a switch for the rotation of this unit. Okay, so this is going to be a countertop 2-burner shawarma machine. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotusa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.